so skinny?
Because I don't have a thing on it, actually.
Oh God, the brake is so sensitive.
Just go slow.
Where do we go now?
Go that way.
We're going towards the children, Louie.
We're going to go take a nap. We're gonna nap right here. Good night. Just go slow. You're doing it. Congratulations. I'm proud of you.
I've never driven anything so fancy. Why is it beeping?
Oh, I don't have my seatbelt on. That's
Louie.
Bad me. Bad Louie. Hold on. There's bikes. Look
Your
out.
car is yelling at me because you don't have a seatbelt on.
I got too excited. You just left.
Where
Okay.
do you go now?
We're gonna take a right.
Right.
Yeah. Don't forget your car signals and stuff.
Oh, right. Is it? Okay.
I mean, it's the same thing as your car. When it comes to that, I hope.
That's another thing I noticed. People don't usually use their blinkers up here.
Yeah, I do. Okay. Full stop. Go straight.
Well, we didn't have to come to a full stop.
Here's the park that we usually hang out in. You're okay.
I know. God, there's a car behind
I know, you'll be fine.
us. Okay, don't
That's the sound of fine. No.
Hey, look,
Alright.
it's another Lexus. Oh, I think it was the one that you wanted.
No, that's a IS 300.
Oh.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just-
Weird. The blinker's weird on here.
yeah, everything is gonna be weird, I guess.
Your car is super low, yet I feel very high off the ground right now. It's weird.
I think my dad has it set up where the chairs lift up. Because he has a hard time getting in and out of my car. Alright, you're doing good. You're doing good. I'm proud of you. Okay, hold on. We're gonna take it right here.
It's so sensitive.
Yeah, the brakes on the swing, the acceleration on the swing.
Wait,
It's fine. So the blinker is weird. It has a short blink and a long blink. If you pull it all the way up, it's gonna be a long blink. If you just click it once, it's your turn. Go ahead, take it right. Go ahead.
she gotta stop at a stop sign anyway.
Yeah, that's just to go ahead.
Well, I didn't come to a complete stop, so gotta come to a complete stop because I am a good citizen.
You stopped the car like 4 times. What are you talking about?
I hit the brake 4 times. Okay? I didn't necessarily come to a complete stop 4 times.
Oh god, I'm not gonna make it out alive, am I? And we're here!
Yay!
Congratulations. You drove my car. You don't have to park it, I'll park it for you if you want. Oh, okay. Oh, you're really cool. Oh.
I did it!
Good enough.
It's probably super crooked.
Okay, I'll park. I'll fix this, don't worry. You didn't have to turn it off, I have to fix it.
Oh.
Here.
Excuse me.
So funny. Switch sides.
Oh, we're switching sides, okay. I'm gonna get back in the car with Louie just so he can fix. Actually, it's not that bad. It's not that crooked. Is it?
You come inside the car. Okay. Hey, so Bree drove and I survived.
And then he drove and I survived.
I've driven you multiple times.
Yeah, and I survived each time. Just like I drove you multiple times and you survived.
I almost died.